Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Teaching subject Zoology Lab, Semester 4, a Physiology Lab. And now we will discuss about to study the effect of variation in temperature and pH level on activity of salivary amylase. Requirement: water, ice cube, test tubes, dropper, wire gauge, thermometer, Bunsen burner, saliva solution, iodine solution, and pH tablet of 5, 6, 7 and 8, beaker with water and a thermometer, 15 ml 1% starch solution and 3 ml 1% NaCl, 3 series of test tube each containing iodine solution. Effect of various temperature. Procedure: divide and pour the 15 ml 1% starch solution plus 3 ml 1% NaCl solution into 3 test tubes. Name them A, B and C. Pour a few ice cubes in a beaker and ensure that they stay at 5 degrees centigrade. Transfer tube A to the beaker with ice. Take 2 more beakers and fill them with water. Heat the 2 beakers, one up to 37 degree and other at 50 degree centigrade. Ensure that the temperature for the 2 beakers are constant. Transfer the test tube B into the beaker which is set at 37 degree. Similarly, transfer the test tube C into the beaker set at 50 degree. Draw 1 ml of saliva solution and add it to the test tube A. Do the same for the test tube B and the C. Quickly draw a few drops using a dropper from the test tube A and transfer the same to the first series of the test tube having iodine solution. Repeat the same. Transfer a few drops from test tube B and C into the second and third series of test tube having iodine solution. Note the time as 0 minute reading and wait 2 minutes before proceeding to the next step. Draw a few drops from each tube and add it to the tube with iodine solution. Note the change in the color. Repeat the experiment in the interval of 2 minutes until the color of iodine does not changes. Then second, effect of the different pH level. Divide and pour the 15 ml 1% starch solution plus 3 ml 1% NaCl solution into the 3 test tubes and name them A, B and C. Add pH tablet 5, 6.8 and 8 into the test tube A, B, C respectively. Now add water into the beaker and boil it by placing it on a Bunsen burner. Transfer all the 3 test tubes into boiling water. Use a thermometer to ensure that temperature of this water is to be maintained at 37 degrees centigrade. Use a dropper to transfer 1 ml of saliva solution to each of the 3 test tubes. Immediately transfer a few drops from test tube A to the first series test tube containing iodine solution. Repeat the same for the test tube B, C, transferring the same to series 2 and 3 test tube respectively. Note the time 0 minute reading and wait 2 minutes before proceeding to the next step. Draw a few drops from each tube and add it to the tube with the iodine solution. Note the change in the color. Repeat the experiment in interval of 2 minutes until the color of iodine does not change. Then what is the observation in case of the temperature? Test tube at 37 degree centigrade reaches the achromic point quickest compared to other two. At high temperature enzyme get denatured and at low temperature enzyme is deactivated. Hence it takes more time for starch to be digested at temperature outside 37 degrees centigrade. Then what happened at different pH? Salivary amylase did not react in the tube that has pH tablet of 5 and 8. It only reacted with tube that had the pH tablet 6.8. The pH is considered acidic when it is level 5 and pH of 8 is to be alkaline. pH of 6.8 is considered to be slightly acidic. So This is all about the effect of different temperature on the temperature and pH of the salivary amylase activity. Hope you understand the practical. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University Jaipur. Thank you very much.